How to get customers to buy your product or services, part 5. You need to know your customers' pain point. And how can you know their pain point? You will know that by asking questions. So what type of questions should you be asking so that you understand your customer pain point and use that as a marketing strategy? I use myself as an example. When I want to build a course on how you can kickstart your YouTube channel in 15 days or less, I ask just this simple question: what is that one thing that is stopping you from kickstarting your YouTube channel? And the comments I got, they make me to understand one thing: their pain points, people that I'm attracting so that they can start their YouTube channel. What are their pain points? Some said, camera, this, I'm shy, I'm all that. So those are the things I gather, and I use that for my marketing strategy, and I do that to build my online course. When I want to build an online course on how you can write and self-publish your ebook on Amazon like a pro and start any money in USD, I apply the same rule. I ask, that knowledge you have, do you know that you can actually write and self-publish your book and earn money in USD? People start asking to want to know more. Or I ask again, what is that one thing that is stopping you from writing and self-publishing your book? So all the information I got is what I now gather to make sure that those are the content that are included in my online course, as well as I use that pain point as a marketing strategy. So I remember talking about it in part 2 or 3 of this series on applying the 80 and 20 rules of marketing. So the information you get now while creating your content about the 80% of things we talk about in that part 2 or 3 of this video, you now use it as your marketing strategy. Is very important, because people don't come to the internet just to buy. They also come to get entertainment, to be entertained, to get information and learn. All right. Have detailed video explaining to you more on psychology of media visibility and wealth creation is on my YouTube channel. Is a paid course, but now I decided to upload it on my YouTube channel for free. You can comment below or click on the link in my bio. It will take you straight to my YouTube channel. Then you scroll to search for this particular video and watch. Comment for part 6, because I really have a lot to teach you. If you like what I'm doing, kindly share this video. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of the video. Then comment part 6 so that I'll talk more. Bye.